Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a cool background, animated background, just only by using layer effects in Gdevelop. So let's start by creating a background layer. Let's call it BG, and let's activate this to work on that background. And I created some gradient images that I added as a sprite object. They're just sprite object with only one animation and one image. So I created multiple ones, but I'm just gonna use this one for now. So let's put it like this in the center. Then let's go to edit effects on that background layer that we created. So I'm gonna get rid of this and I'm gonna add a 2D effect. First, I'm gonna add a displacement. So for the displacement map texture, I'm just gonna use the default one, which you can download it here. So I already done that and it's in my project. So it's gonna be like that. So on default, you will not gonna see so much displacement happening. So I'm gonna increase this to 500, and on y-axis I'm gonna increase it to the 100. Let's see it. So it's really distorts our object. So second effect I'm gonna add is gonna be the reflection. So reflection. On default, it's gonna reflect from the middle on the y-axis. So let's make this from the top. Now it's gonna be from top to bottom. But I don't want to reflect the image on the waves. I'm gonna cancel it, but I'm gonna leave those wavelength properties at default. Let's see. As you can see, it started to wave, but I want to increase the amplitude a little bit. Let's make it 40 to 40. Now all our images wavy. So next effect I'm gonna add is gonna be the twist. So I want it in the center. I don't want the padding. So let's see. But yeah, it's there, but it's so small. So I'm gonna make it like the double size of my all canvas size, my resolution. So it's really good, but it's not quite right. So I'm gonna increase the angle to 10. Now I get a almost full screen twisting effect. And because our waves are on the reflection effect, the waves gonna continuously animate and non-stop. So this thing is never gonna stop. It's gonna go on and on. So you don't need to create like a animated image or sprite object for that. So from you can always play with things. I'm just gonna add. I'm gonna change the alpha ending 2 to get a little bit of the like a light effect. It's gonna shine more. It's gonna be more brighter. So you can always change the settings and find whatever suits you. So for our main effect, we are done here. But let's see it with the different images, how it's gonna look. Okay, it's more, our blue area is more smaller. So let's see this gradient image. As you can see, it's more bigger. Of course, just it can work with any image you put. You can even change the image on the way, on the go, while in the middle of your game. So, but after that, we can play with more effects. Let's add a CRT effect, for example. I don't want any noise effect. So let's see. Cool, very good. So we can also add a, where is that? chromatic aberration to get different cool effects. So that's it for now. For now, I'm just gonna remove the chromatic aberration. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Thank you for watching. Try it with different images you have, but mainly the effect is that it's gonna keep going and on without stopping it. So only with the layer effects. Very cool. Thank you so much. See you next time.